ready to transform your creative sparks into a tangible notebook reality. Let's kick things off by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Choose your desired dimensions for the notebook cover, keeping in mind the final size you want. Typically, you'll design the cover separately from the inner pages. Make sure to set the color mode to CMYK if you are planning to get your notebook printed. Next, design your notebook cover. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Consider your target audience and the notebook's purpose. Use Illustrator's tools to create a unique design. You can start with a pre-made design, or design a unique flat illustration or a simple pattern using shapes, text, and colors. Ensure your design has a catchy title. Now, let's design the inner pages. Create a new artboard for your internal pages. A common choice for page size is 85 by 11 inches for a clear page layout. Create a grid system. This will help you align your content like lines, dots, or a blank layout at headers, footers, page numbers, and any other elements you need. Time to infuse some brand magic. Incorporate your brand's logo, colors, and fonts into both the cover and the inner pages to elevate your design. This is a great way to personalize the notebooks. This also helps create brand awareness. And there you have it, a custom notebook design brought to life in Adobe Illustrator. Experiment with different layouts, branding, and designs. Now, export your design for printing, and let your creativity take note.